Hello, everyone. Today's question is 12 divided by 2, bracket 3 plus 3. So first, let's solve 12 divided by 2 equals 6. In the bracket, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Remove the bracket and multiply, right? 6 times 6, which equals 36. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. For questions like this, we follow the BODMAS rule. So first, according to the BODMA rule, we'll solve the bracket. After that, division and multiplication and addition and subtraction are prioritized, with division and multiplication coming first. So we'll check from left to right for addition and subtraction. So let's write the question again. 12 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 3, according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the bracket. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, 12 divided by 2 bracket 6. Now, 12 divided by, we'll remove the bracket and put multiplication. 2 times 6. Now, following the BODMS rule carefully, we will check the expression from left to right. First, we look for division, and then we move on to multiplication. So let's calculate 12 divided by 2 times 6. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6, and then 6 multiplied by 6 equals 36. This is definitely the correct answer.